Hey guys, welcome to Epic Coding for Everyone channel. What will you learn from this video? Progress bar. Let's start coding. Let's create our first progress bar. Div with class name progress bar. And I want to add style width as well. 0%. Let me make it wider for you guys. And I want to copy and paste 3 more times. Let's put HR. And let me change those values 25%, 50%, 100%. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we can create progress bar like this. If we want, we can assign style for main div as well. For example, style height 30 pixels. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we changed height of the progress bar like this. Let me copy and paste a couple of more. Let's put another HR. We can also assign background color for our progress bar. BG success. And let's add a background for that one too. BG warning. And that one BG info. Let's save it and have a look at it. See guys, different background colors. Let's change values too. Let's make that one 50%, 75%. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we can assign background color for progress bars. Let me copy that 3 of them and paste one more time. Let's put a HR. I want to use another class name, progress bar strip. Let's add that one. Let me copy it, that one, and paste for that one and that one. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, you can give the strip effect on your progress bar. Let's have a look at multiple bars. Let's create another HR again, and let me create a div first. Let's create our first progress bar with div progress bar class name. Let's add style to with 10%, and let me copy that one, paste 2 more times, and let's make that one 30 and let's make that one 20. And I want to add background color for both of them, BG info and BG success. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, you can create progress bar like this. If you want, you can add strip one as well. Let me copy that one and paste it here. Let's make it that one 40 and progress bar strip. Let me change background color to warning. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, you can create your progress bar like this too. Let's have a look at animated strip progress bar. Let's create a div with progress class name. Let's create another div. And I want to add two more class names. One of them is progress bar strip. And the other one is progress bar animated. And let's assign style to for width 75%. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we can create animated progress bar like this. All progress bar mobile friendly, as you see guys. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.